Welcome to IDB everyone, it is Andrew here. If you have a MacBook or a MacBook Pro and are a fan of Nomad, then you're going to love their newest cable. This USB-C cable is capable of a full 100 watts of pass-through power. So if you plug this into your 15-inch MacBook Pro, this is easily going to give you that 87 watts of power that it's capable of handling. Most other USB-C cables and even the other ones from Nomad really kind of topped out at around 60 watts. It's got a super thick core, 20 American weight gauge core, as well as everything else you'd come to expect from Nomad's rugged cables, like moisture barrier, RF shielding, and that crazy 500D nylon on the outside. This thing has been flex tested over 4,000 times, which means it's going to last a really long time before it ever breaks down to you, compared to like the USB-C cable that comes with your MacBook or MacBook Pro. That thing does not last that long. I know so many people who've had to have those replaced. It's just going to last a whole lot longer, and it's going to give you other possibilities as well. The cable that actually comes with your MacBook doesn't handle really data. So this one, it actually does handle data, and it can handle really fast data, 10 gigabits per second through USB 3.1 Gen 2. If you take a look at the ends, they're pretty much the same ends you see on Nomad's other cables. They're pretty solid looking. They have a nice long collar on the neck, which is going to help prevent the stress kind of from building up there, which is generally one of the fault points on many cables that are out there. It is really thick. It's a lot thicker than you might expect, so if the thickness is a little bit of a problem, there is a thinner version of this cable, but it only handles 60 watts. So it's whether you want 60 watt or 100 watt, but you're going to get a little bit of a thicker cable in that process of jumping up to that higher speed. One of the most common uses for this cable is simply charging your Mac. You can plug this in to the side of your Mac and the included 87 watt power adapter that came with your Mac. You're going to get full power, charge it up. You can also use this to power things like hard drives and displays. Ultra fast hard drives with that 10 gigabits per second, or plug it into your monitor for 4K video. For me personally, this is a great accessory for my MacBook Pro. It's really what this is designed for. However, it works with pretty much any other USB-C device that you may have. It just may be a bit overkill. If you want to charge up your GoPro, definitely something this can handle, but it really is probably thicker than you need. You can definitely go for the smaller, thinner cable. Nomad also makes tons of other cables if you didn't know, such as a ton of lightning cable, which are awesome, including their battery cable, one of my favorites. It actually has an inline battery. You can just press the button and power up your phone on the go. Pretty cool. Battery seems a little bit small anymore, but still an amazing cable. Nomad's newest cable is available right now. If you have MacBook, MacBook Pro, this is absolutely amazing. It's a little bit on the shorter side, but when you get to like that 100 watt cable and handling data, it's so much more difficult to get to that length. If you want to pick one up, there's a link in the description below, and I want to hear your thoughts down in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, and until next time, this is Andrew for IDB.